So as you guys know, when I spend some time in a city like I am right now in Lisbon, Portugal, I like to switch it up and get a feel for the different neighborhoods. And the best way to do that is through an apartment share. I wanted to make sure that I got the experience of living like a local, which is what an apartment share can do. It's also in a different neighborhood. So I thought I'd take the time to show you a little bit about my place before I get it all messed up. So let's start with the bedroom first. So we'll go in here in my room. I've got a camera operator coming in. So I'm gonna give her the nice room, the bed. That's the way I roll. I like to let the camera folks get the best night's sleep because a happy camera person means a happy show, basically. So I'm gonna stay here in the bunk beds. I'll sleep on the bottom bed and put my stuff up top. It reminds me a lot of boat travel when I traveled by boat because the cabins were small. So this room is really small, but I also have a bathroom, obviously, to myself. A co-ed crew, that's very necessary. It's actually pretty necessary even without. So let's go check out her room, or what will be her room. So these are the digs here. So yeah, I'm gonna sacrifice the big bed. That's no problem. And also the nice bathroom, which is, again, no problem for me. All right, happy camera person, happy show. Remember that. So here we have the kitchen, a little dining room area, workstation. Very nice and modern, as you can see. And then here is the living area, which is not huge, but it's got a few features that I really need and love. Number one, hot water for coffee, necessary, especially when you're on another time zone. A refrigerator, which is good, so I can pick up some food because I've been starving at the hotel. I get hungry at the oddest hours. And the main reason I really booked this spot is this right here, the washer and dryer, because I need to do a little laundry at some point in this trip. And then of course, got a little TV. I have to admit, I watch a little Portuguese TV because I get a kick out of it. It's fun. And then the coup de grace, if you will, the balcony. And it's just overlooking a beautiful part of the old city. So I'm so excited, man. I was kind of getting down. I was having some when travel goes wrong moments. Still kind of getting through those. But at the end of the day, this really energized me. I'm in a new neighborhood. I can't wait to go out and explore it and compare it to the other neighborhoods as well. I'm happy I'm traveling. And you know, the ups and downs, it's just part of travel. It's just the way it rolls, man. You gotta be ready for it. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. But if you really wanna feel like a local, get you an apartment share. And in this case, it was much cheaper than a hotel.